let's start again. First of all, I'm just going to File, Document Properties. This is important. I'm just showing to you again and again. Okay, so then you have to do a rectangle. I show it to you, and this is mostly recommended. Please watch the other 4 parts. Now you can only watch filters. Okay, so we are going to start from here and select this like the last videos I am going to do in this video also. So let's start. So we have reached in one of the options. This option is so mega tall. Seriously, I couldn't do anything to it. So what you should do is just check out my video of desktop customization. Just press your taskbar any of the sides. I think the problem would be solved. Okay, that's how you solve this. Now I am just showing you. Okay, live preview. It's behind this, okay, it's behind the taskbar, so you can't see. I can click here live preview, so that's it. Itself it's good. So if I click on live preview, I can see it live, bump source, crop, bump simplification, lighting. There are lots of options. This filter is fabulous. Just couldn't believe. Light source, options, color bump, much more. X location, Y location, D location, X location, Y location, X target, Y target, specular, exponent, cone angle. Then you can apply it. Okay. For now I am closing this. So I told you how to solve the problem. Just watch. I would be giving the link in the description. And you will learn how to change the if you want your taskbar to be at the bottom or top. Next one, again I am going to be silent. I have to tell you guys one thing. This is going pretty fast, so I think I can talk here. Okay, this is going pretty fast because there are not that much options in bump, so I'm going to talk. Okay. Oh, I have already selected this option. Still I'll be quick. Then HCL bumps, HSL bumps. which looks pretty bright. Okay, this is, I think this is a type of bright bump. So let's look, all the filters, all are nice. Linen jelly bump. Oh, that, but that's, I think you should give a blur effect also to it. I think this one looks fine. This one doesn't look that bad. Okay, bumps. Dark embossed silicone linen canvas. Linen. Okay, this one is awesome. I love it. Some are good for thumbnails, but some are not. YouTube thumbnails, not any other thumbnails. Okay. Paper bump. So what is this? Oh, this is much better than the last one because the bumps look cool because plaster. Oh my gosh. Some effects are cool, some effects are bad. For thumbnails, I am not telling, I already told you many times. Plaster color. What is this? Little more darker, I guess. Filters. Bumps. Plus design. What? Bright and dark. What the heck was that? Oh, let's see. Image effects, fill and transparency, color, bumps. So it's pretty hard. There are many. Relief paint, plastify. Okay, plastify. Oh my gosh, this one is good, but the highlight in the middle and whitish, lot of highlight. So that's bad, but still good. It's still good. Relief print. Oh, it looks so relief and realistic. Cute. Okay, that's nice. Bump. Rough canvas painting. Okay, canvas painting. Oh, this is nice, but it's much more rough. Next one. Bumps and thick acrylic. Oh my gosh, this is, I don't think so this is gonna, it won't work here. Filters, bumps, thick acrylic. That helped. Right. Yes. Yes, the same thing I took. So it's a lot of options. That's it. If it was lesser options, I couldn't have this problem. Thick paint. How would I describe this? I can't describe this. It's like effect around it. Next, what is it? Tin foil. Again, like this time, yellow, and orange and red. What the heck is this? This is not sun. We don't want sun, therefore. Bumps and velvet bumps. Oh, this one is calming. The color becomes bright. The highlight is pretty rich there. So that one is calming and cool. As you can see, there are lesser options. So wax bump. Okay, this one also is option. So I can fit this anyway. Live preview. Okay, this is how it looks when you are. Then you can give a simplification. As you can see, it becomes like more 3D, more, but it becomes less actually. So that is enough. Bump and crop. Crop will, higher crops would make it dark. And this is the best I recommend. They already gave default, right? That's even good. Like this. This is good. Bump source, red, green, blue. Background opacity, lighting, bump. Bunch of options. Okay, this is nice. You can adjust the options. Bump source, lighting. You can give colors, lightness, precision, azimuth, vivation, light preview. Now we can change. Bump, revert bump. There are a lot of options. Apply it, and that's it. Wait, scan control plus Z. Oh, I have played a lot. Okay, filters, bump, wrinkled varnish. The last one. This looks cool when you're adding some type of images to it. Not if you add text to it, you can't see or it's bad. I think images would work on this one. Ridges, okay. So we are right. This doesn't look at all good. So now we are doing ridges. Now we check draggy. It does not look good, right? Glowing bubble. Nice. Bad. That also is bad. These ridges is not good for creating thumbnails. Okay, ridges are not good at all. It's good for giving borderline, but it's not good at all. So it's bad. Bad. Ridges are bad, but I am showing you. Refracted gel A. It's like a border tool for thumbnails. I think you can use it for the borders. Refracted gel B. B looks much more better than A. Then last one. Thin membrane. None of them actually is not suitable for thumbnails. So it's just scatter. Okay, I am going to show you scatter. Then lets me see. Air spray. So now scatter, I took air spray. So this is like sprayed in the corners. This is a good effect. It's not a great effect, but I forgot to press Ctrl with Z. Not only Z, but you should press Ctrl plus Z. Okay. So now scatter cubes. Oh my gosh. This one is cool, but it's not that much ideal for thumbnails. It's like good for placing images over it. Leaves. Oh, these are extremely cool. Wow. Okay. So we now still have discussed about bumps, scatter and ridges. Okay, ridges, scatter, bumps. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.